How to automatically back up your content to Files.fm cloud on macOS using the App Store application. Open the Mac App Store on your device, search for the Files.fm app, download it, and launch it. Use the same login and password as you would on the website or mobile app. Press the menu button 3 lines in the top left corner and select Auto Backup Folders. Tap Add Folder and choose the folder you want to back up. The selected folder will be backed up in one direction, uploading its content to your Files.fm account. Any new content added to the folder will automatically be uploaded to your Files.fm account. You can view all active upload tasks in the Upload Tasks section. Your files will be uploaded to the Auto Backup folder. In your file browser, within this folder, a subfolder named after your device will be created. You can check your uploaded content without opening an internet browser. In the app, go to the Auto Backup Folders section in the menu. In the top right corner, tap the Open Folder button. This will display the contents of your account's Auto Backup folder. This is a simple way to automatically back up your files and folders on macOS. For more advanced backup options, you can use our other app, OnCloud, which can be downloaded from the Files.fm website.